What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jess. We're gonna go over XRP, guys. I gave you a beautiful trade opportunity. I hope you took advantage. I sure did from that bull flag, but we're gonna get into it. So we're sitting at $1.15. We're up about almost 13% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 53.57 billion, and then 24-hour volume is 8.25 billion. If you get any value, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. All right, guys, so let's hop straight into it. So I gave you guys this bull flag in yesterday's video. I'll throw my juicy profits up on the screen. I went in with 10x leverage. Now I did take 50% of my position out at $1.17. And I'm thinking about taking out the rest. However, coins like XRP, ADA, you'll notice they pump much harder than they correct. So when Bitcoin's going through a bit of correction, you'll see a small little sell-off for XRP, and you see a little bounce for Bitcoin, a little green candle, and coins like XRP and ADA are like, shoo, they bounce right back up. So do keep that in mind. They pump much harder than they correct. So I gave you guys that juicy trade opportunity from this bull flag up to $1.17. And that was about, about a 19% trade. And if you went in with leverage, it was much more. And please sign up to Bybit if you'd like to and receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. It's my absolute favorite platform for leverage trading. The reason I use it the most is because of the maker's rebate. If you use limit orders, they pay you. Instead of Binance usually takes a fee, whether you use limit order or whether you use market order, but Bybit, if you use limit order, they pay you. They pay you to be a market maker and not a market taker. All right, guys, so do check it out. Went on a bit of a tangent there. So we saw a little bit of sell-off with Bitcoin here. It is the weekend, guys. So please be aware of that. The weekends can be a little bit dumpy here. However, we might just be seeing a small sell-off, which is healthy before we see continuation. Maybe we'll see a bit of a head and shoulders for Bitcoin. But we are in a bull market, and we're in an uptrend, so that may not play out. But we'll see what happens if that right shoulder does form, and we'll go from there. But this video is supposed to be about XRP. All right, guys, so I have dropped in $1 level of support, but XRP may not come down to that level. Even if Bitcoin sells off more, we could find support here at $1.09, which is the swing high from our bull flag here. Just due to the fact that XRP does not correct as hard as it pumps, as I've said about 15 times already in this video. We do have that next price target at $1.46. We may see some consolidation over the weekend, which would be extremely healthy. As we can see here for XRP on the daily, we are quite overbought. Now we have trended higher. We're currently sitting about 83. We have trended higher on the RSI, but you can see it was followed by some pretty massive sell-offs, and we trended all the way up to about, which was the peak of our bull run, about 90 on the RSI, and we started to sell off. So currently we're sitting at 81. So if we were to see some consolidation, you can see we are a little bit broken away from the 20 EMA. If we saw consolidation over the weekend, would be healthy to allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. But your next price targets after $1.17, you're back above the golden ratio, which is a beautiful sign of continuation. We have $1.46. We have our high at $1.93, and we have the 1.272 extension at $2.80 for XRP. It's looking very healthy in my opinion. I would like to see some consolidation, because if we continue to pump, the harder we pump, the steeper the correction, and we're quite overbought here for XRP. So just quick little update. I do think if we correct further, we would find support at $1.09. I will leave in that $1 level of support. However, as I've been saying, XRP simply doesn't correct as hard as it pumps. All right, guys. And then your next price target is $1.46. So shout out to everyone who got in on that trade. I know a couple guys in my Discord got in on that XRP trade. So shout out to you guys. Let me do a quick shout out to the Discord. Just hang tight, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are doing healthy. Hope you have people in your life that love you. And if you don't, well, there's always Bumble, Tinder, and Hinge. Can do a little online dating. I've been doing it here in South Africa, and it hasn't been too shabby. So here's the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members. We post chart patterns, not just me, but other members of the Discord. We have rooms for all our popular coins: ADA, Ankr, BTT, Tron, Wink, Hot One, Polygon. We have XRP. We have Boss Family Gaming G. He says amazing stuff from XRP. Loving it. I'm gonna say, oh yes, my friend. Hopefully he considers us friends. Maybe not. That's okay though. So if you're interested in a community of investors and traders for crypto, it's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to follow me on social. Sign up to Bybit. Sign up to crypto.com. That's pretty much. Oh, he replied with some dancing guys and some clap hands. What a gentleman. All right. Maybe I'll tell him. I'll be like, hey, I gave you a shout out in the XRP video. You should check it. That's it for this one, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love. Take care.